Ready to clean those Airmax? Let's go then. Step 1. Start with unlacing your shoes and put them aside for a while. Brush off that dust from the upper part of your shoes using a soft brush. Step 2. Time for some sugar magic. Just pour 3 gentle pumps of sugar solution in a bowl of water and mix it well. Dip the soft brush in the sugar liquid. Gently clean the upper part of your Airmax. Step 4. Use the microfiber towel to dab it dry. Step 5. Grab that medium brush, dip it in the sugar solution and use it on the midsoles to scrub off the dirt. Wipe it clean with the microfiber towel. Step 6. Let's go hard on that stubborn dirt. Take the hard brush, dip it in the sugar solution and scrub the outsoles to break the dirt. Use the microfiber towel to wipe it. Grab those laces, dip them in the sugar solution, scrub them a little and wipe them using the microfiber towel. Max cleaning with sugar.